children, today's topic is rocks and rock cycle. Introduction. Our planet consists of all the serial states of matter: atmosphere in gaseous state, hydrosphere in liquid, and lithosphere in solid. Litho in Latin means rock or stone. Thus, lithosphere can even be called as rockosphere. Lithosphere forms the outer crust of the earth on which our continents and ocean basins rest. The rocks are not composed of single element or a mineral. It is often composed of mixture of various elements of several minerals. Thus, rocks can be defined as an aggregate of minerals that forms a more or less definite unit of the earth's crust. Thus, all the earth materials consist of rocks and minerals. By definition, a mineral has a definite chemical composition with its own chemical and physical properties. It generally has a crystalline form. Silicates and quartz are the common examples of minerals. Types of rock. The outer crust of the earth where all the continents and ocean basins rest is called lithosphere. The continental parts of the earth crust are composed of the three main types of rock according to the origin. Number 1, igneous. Number 2, sedimentary. And number 3, metamorphic. All these vary in their origin, occurrence and physical composition. Number 1, igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are also known as primary rocks, solidified from rock in a hot molten state known as magma. Magma is molten rock material consisting of liquid, gas and crystals. The two types of magma are: number 1, basalt magma, which is very hot and highly fluid. Number 2, silicate magma with a temperature of about 850 degrees Celsius and highly viscous. Igneous rocks are classified on the basis of texture of grains, chemical composition and mode of origin. On the basis of silica present, the igneous rocks are classified as: number 1, acidic igneous rocks, and number 2, basic igneous rock. Acidic igneous rocks have more silica, example granite. Basic igneous rocks have lower quantity of silica, example gabbro. On the basis of occurrence, igneous rocks are divided into: number 1, intrusive, and number 2, extrusive. Intrusive igneous rocks. Magma that solidifies below the earth's surface and remains surrounded by pre-existing block is called intrusive igneous rocks. On the basis of depth and place of cooling, the intrusive igneous rocks are divided into plutonic and hypobasalt. Plutonic. In general, igneous rocks of deep-seated origin are known as plutonic rocks. These rocks have coarse grained sides which results from their having been formed at a depth where cooling and crystallization have occurred very slowly. For example, gabbro, granite and batholite. Hypobasalt rocks. These are small-scale igneous intrusion such as sill or dike. These are formed due to cooling and solidification of rising magma during volcanic activity in the cracks, porcelain, just beneath the earth's surface. Apart from the above intrusive igneous rocks, other intrusive rocks are: batholite is a large mass of igneous rocks, almost always granite, covering about 100 square kilometer area. Its floor is not visible. Necrolith, a dome-like mass of igneous rocks which arches the overlying sediment and has more or less flat floor. Sill is a seat-like body of igneous rocks. It is formed when magma forces its way between two layers of sedimentary rocks and there cools and solidifies. Sills are formed from highly fluid basaltic magma which can be injected between the older rock without deforming them. Stalks are composed of granite rock. Dike is a seat-like body of intrusive igneous rock. Extrusive igneous rock. Rocks formed by solidification of magma above the earth's surface is called extrusive igneous rock. The rocks include lava flows and volcanic ash. These rocks are fine-grained where basalt, gabbro and obsidian are typical examples of igneous rocks. On the basis of nature of lava, extrusive igneous rocks have been divided into two types: explosive and quiet. The explosive type of extrusive igneous rocks are the results of volcanic material in which dust, ash, etc. are deposited. In the quiet type, lava comes out quietly through minor cracks and fissures. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.